Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Hyde, and this is just a reminder how to open your document off of a PDF. Okay, so I'm at the classroom here, and I'm looking at my assignment. I open up the PDF, and I go over to the three dots on the right-hand side for more actions. I go ahead and click on Open a New Window. And once I do that, I go up to the top. Now you can open it with other apps, but again, DocHub is super easy to use. So I go ahead and click on DocHub. Okay, and super easy. I can go right up to the top to add a text, click on that, and create myself a text box inside this rectangular square. And I add my three items. So number one could be I see Italy. Number two, I see the Mediterranean Sea. Three, I see mountain region. Four, and so on. Okay, and then once you're done, you can go right up to the top, click on this, and share it with your teacher. Have a great day. Thank you.